All right, everybody, welcome back to the Rev Moto Garage. Today, we're going to be swapping out the battery inside of our factory 2026 Dodge Ram 1500 Key Fob. I just want to show you how easy it is to just go ahead and do it yourself. And all you need is a CR2450 battery. Works for key fobs, watches, many other things that I can't think of right now. But nonetheless, I want to show you how easy it is with just a small flathead screwdriver. I'm replacing it now. I've had it for about 2 weeks, and the battery is already going dead on me. So who knows how long it was sitting in there or was tested, but the red light is emitting on the top, indicating to me that the battery is at its lower level life, and I've noticed a decrease in the range on the lock, unlock, remote start, and tailgate release. So first things first, we're going to remove the key from the inside of the fob by depressing this little button on the side here. I'm going to pull that key right out, set that to the side for a minute, and then as you can see here on the remote, there's just a little opening here to the left side of the remote when the buttons are facing down. And all you're going to do is start at that side, pop a screwdriver in there, and start to gently around the edge separate the remote. Go back to the other side here and just put it in there and gently twist it, and there you go. There's your battery. Top went flying, but we're just gonna pop that battery out of there, and we'll go ahead and swap it out with the new one. There's a little opening there at the rear side of the battery. We'll take that out, grab our new one, pop it in there the same way we had that factory one in there, and looks like that was a Panasonic. Not sure if that was a lithium or not, but get this out of here, get it installed in this remote, and hopefully all will be well again. Pop that back in there. Take our remote back, pop it back on, starting from the top, work your way back to where you started to release it, and then just make sure all your sides are secure, and pop our key back in, and there it is. Range works great. And that's it. There you have it. Thanks for stopping by the Rev Moto Garage. You guys have an awesome day.